Aisti manufactures sustainable acoustic tiles made from wood fibers using foam forming technology. The tiles are designed to fit perfectly into existing ceiling systems. They don't smell, they don't cause any irritation on skin, and they are simple to install. The tiles come with multiple edge profiles that work in any environment. For example, offices, schools, and hospitals. Tiles are installed either by using T-grid, made from recycled steel, or they can be glued. Let me show you how. Aisti is making installation comfortable and safe. And this is how we're changing construction for good.